Hi everyone! Did you know that some of the most powerful medicines are right in your kitchen? Today, we're going to explore kitchen herbs that can help you defeat illness naturally. These herbs are easy to find, affordable, and packed with health benefits, so let's get started. Yes, your everyday kitchen staples can be potent medicine. Let's dive into the top herbs that can keep you healthier and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. Our first herb is garlic, a superstar for immune health. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Studies show that eating garlic regularly can actually reduce your chances of catching colds and help your body fight off infections faster. Add minced garlic to your salads, soups, or roasted vegetables. It's best raw or lightly cooked to preserve its health benefits. Even a small amount can give your immune defenses a boost. Next up, ginger, another powerful herb with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that help reduce inflammation and congestion. Start your morning with fresh ginger tea. Simply slice some ginger, steep it in hot water with a squeeze of lemon and honey. It soothes sore throats, eases nausea, and can help you recover faster when you're feeling under the weather. Now let's talk about turmeric, the bright yellow spice that packs a punch. Its active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric is, honestly, so easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just add it to curries, smoothies, or even golden milk. Drinking turmeric tea or adding it to your meals might help reduce inflammation and support your overall immune health, especially during cold and flu season. Herbs like basil, thyme, and oregano are not just flavorful, they're actually rich in antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Basil, especially holy basil, also known as tulsi, is renowned in traditional medicine for supporting respiratory health. You can add fresh herbs to your salads, stews, or even teas. Oregano oil in particular has been found effective against certain bacteria and viruses which can help you fend off illnesses. So, herb-infused water or teas are actually a really simple way to take advantage of their health benefits throughout the day. So, whether you prefer raw garlic, spicy ginger, earthy turmeric, or fragrant herbs, these kitchen herbs are your natural allies in preventing and fighting off illnesses. Remember, combining these herbs in your diet regularly can strengthen your immune system, reduce inflammation, and help your body defend itself naturally. Don't forget, staying healthy isn't just about taking herbs. Manage stress, get sufficient sleep, stay hydrated, and eat a balanced diet. But, incorporating these powerful kitchen herbs is a simple, tasty way to support your health every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite kitchen herb, or which one will you start using today? Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.